Hi everyone, that's a little update about free giveaway, and you can see the template, also the tutorial. We actually provide you template and how you can use this template. Also have the video guide. You will get the free. Just you need to do what you need to do. Just click the link on this description, and or you can search our website. Then go to template, and then you can see that enroll course. Very simple. You can see the first one, enroll course, and other one is paid. You can also buy those template if you want to buy. There is a lot of template you can use in your automation journey, and 3D content, animation history, military base, a lot of things you will got free. And not a free, little budget, and that one is free for you, everyone. You just simple click here, enroll the course, and click here enroll, and you need to register your account. Very simple. Just register your account, your name, something like that, and you will get the your results. Okay, I'm not results. I mean, you will create your content. Then it will go your. I mean, you will create a dashboard automatically. Then you will get the template easily. Very simple. So let's do it. And this is the channel. You can see the historical content because of his financial historian. That's mean almost a finance content sub niche. You can say like a historical sub niche. Very simple. And they have a lot. They uploading the video consistency from last 1 year, and still they are getting views, average views, or decent amount of good views. You can see that, and you can learn this type of content. Not only you can create this type of content, you can create a different type of niche content. And why we choose this niche? Because the RPM is high. Let's say 4 to 5 RPM. Obviously, you will get on historical finance content because those content have a lot of opportunity, a lot of things. You understand, no, if you are in this field. Okay, they're very simple. But how you get the template? Very simple. Just click here, enroll, and register your account. Let's say already I have account on my dashboard. I have to click. I have to. Wait. Already I have it. Already I have account on my website. Okay, enroll now. Now let's say you come this page of click in the link, or you can visit our website. Enroll now, and then you already create a account on our website, register account. Then you will see that it's showing that start learning. Just click here, start learning, and it will go your dashboard. Don't need to do this. And then you will see that uh, you got your uh, tutorial and also the template. Look at that. So that's the things you can simply register our website and complete this. And if you like our template and tutorial, and I mean, this video help you to learn content creation. Very simple. Also, you can share your opinion here, review. Also, review. You can write a review about us. A lot of things. First, you need to complete. So that's the update, guys, about a little giveaway. We will provide you more giveaway. Just follow us and also share this video. And very soon we will provide you complete package. And that one is one thing you have to know, that this prompt template will help you from idea to title, topic, then script, then visuals, and then generation, video generation. That's it. And then you have to do the same process of completing the video, then edit the video on your CapCut or any video editor tools, and then edit your videos and complete the video. That's the thing you have to do. But we teach you from idea to topic, and then script, then how to generate the visuals prompt, and then how to generate the image, how to generate the videos. That's it. That's the our job is here, template job. You need to know about also CapCut. Thank you. That's it.